The 2007 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.